Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about significance of fungi. Okay. Significance of fungi. Significance refer to what are the importance of fungi. Now see, we know that many fungi are the cause of disease in plant and animal also. They cause many diseases. But apart from those diseases, there are some positivity of fungi or there are some importance of fungi to our environment and to human beings also. So we are going to discuss about those importance of fungi in our life and in our environment. Okay, so these are the we are going to discuss about some importance, that means the significance of fungi. First, the first positivity or importance of fungi that we use the fungi for our edible purpose. That means there are many fungi. There are many fungi in our environment that are edible purpose. Okay, many fungi called like mushrooms. Generally, the edible fungi are called mushrooms. Okay, like mushrooms are used as edible purpose. Edible purpose. Okay, because these mushrooms are highly contained proteins. That means 21 to 30% of the mushrooms body weight is consist of protein, and they have very less amount of carbohydrate. That's why it is a very good choice for diabetic patients also. Okay, mushrooms are the high contain high percentage of protein. That's why many fungi like mushrooms are used as edible purpose. Some common mushrooms are, that is button mushroom. Examples, these are the examples. Button mushroom. Button mushroom is called generally Agaricus bisporus. Scientific name. Agaricus bisporus. Then, apart from button mushrooms, there are some other mushrooms like your paddy straw mushroom, paddy straw mushroom, oyster mushroom, etc. etc. Oyster mushroom, etc. etc. Paddy straw mushroom is also called scientifically called Volvaceae, Volva, Volvariella, Rell, Volvariella, Volvaceae, Volvariella, Volvaceae. Okay. Oyster mushroom is also called P. Cajas. Okay. Okay, let's forget this. Okay, so there are some examples of mushrooms which are edible. Apart from the mushrooms, there are other fungi also which are used as edible purpose in various parts of the world. Some of those examples are there are called truffles, 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 morels, 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 etc. etc. Okay. So fungi is a good source of protein. That's why we use the fungi for our edible purpose. Okay. The first importance of the fungi is edible purpose, used as a food. Then second point, fungi like yeast. Okay, yeast. Yeast. It is also scientifically called Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Secromyces. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is contain high amount of protein. That means its body 40%, approximately 40 to 41% of its body weight is consist of protein. That's why it is also called single cell protein. Single cell protein, SCP, and it is a good source for food supplement. It is used as a food supplement to plants, food supplement to animals and in human beings also. This yeast or Saccharomyces cerevisiae is act as a food supplement. Okay, then the third one, fungi is used in food industry also. Okay, fungi used in food industry. Fungi used in food industry to prepare alcoholic beverages in the process called fermentation. in the process called fermentation. Alcoholic beverage, for alcoholic beverage preparation fungi are used. Then for preparation of cheese, cheese, cheese from curd, cheese from curd. Then also preparing of bakery items, bakeries, also for preparing bakery item also these fungi are used. Okay, so this is the use of fungi in food industry for preparing alcoholic beverages. Then your cheese and bakeries also fungi are used. Then the next point, what is the other importance? One, two, three, four. And the next point, many fungi are used for preparation of antibiotics. Okay, fungi used for extraction of antibiotics. Extraction of antibiotics. Okay, we get antibiotics from fungi also. What are the examples? In examples, you may write antibiotic penicillin. You know penicillin is antibiotic. This is first extracted from Penicillium notatum, fungi called Penicillium notatum. Notatum. Then from another fungi called this Penicillium Griseofulvin, Griseofulvin, Griseofulvin. From another fungi Penicillium Griseofulvin, another antibiotic is extracted, that is called Griseofulvin. Griseofulvin. It is another type of antibiotic. Then you mean example you may say your from Cephalosporium species, SCPH, Cephalosporium. From Cephalosporium species, another antibiotic is extracted, that is called your Cyclosporium. Cyclosporium. So these are some examples where we are getting antibiotics from the fungi also. Okay. Next, after the extraction of fungi, we get some medicines also. Fungi used for extraction of medicine. Extraction of medicines. Okay. We get some chemicals or alkaloids from fungi. From those alkaloids or chemical substances, we derived medicines. Okay. Medicines for human beings and other animals also. Some examples are those medicines called your cyclosporin is a type of medicine. Then another examples your lovastatin, Lovastatin, lovastatin. Lovastatin is an example of medicine which is extracted from fungi also. Okay. Then after extraction of medicine, what are the other importance or other usefulness of fungi? Many fungi like your Saccharomyces cerevisiae or your Penicillium, they are used as research tool. Used as research tools. RESEARCH. Research tools. Research tools means they are used in laboratory for the research purposes. Because why the fungi are used as research purpose? Because they are mainly present haploid throughout their life. Okay, they are present haploid throughout their life, and it is easy to culture in a medium. Fungi are easy to culture in a medium, and they are haploid in life. Due to these two important points, fungi are used as research tools in laboratories. Okay, these two things are very important. Frequently asked in questions. Okay, next. In other importance of fungi, a type of plant hormone is extracted from fungi, that is called gibberellin. Okay. So nowadays industries are also produce plant hormone gibberellin from the fungi Gibberella fusariae. So fungi Gibberella fusariae, Gibberella, Gibberella fusariae. Okay. Fungi Gibberella fusariae gives plant hormone plant hormone gibberellins, Gibberellins, gibberellins. Okay, so gibberellins is a group of plant hormone which is extracted from Gibberella fusariae, and Gibberella fusariae is nothing but a fungi. Okay, so this fungi is useful for extraction of a plant hormone also. Okay, then next one, as we discussed earlier, some fungi are saprophytes. That means they grow upon dead and decay organisms, decay materials. That's why those saprophytic fungi are useful for the movement or transfer of the energy from the biotic component to abiotic environment. Okay, saprophytic fungi, saprophytic fungi recycle energy from biotic organisms to non-biotic or abiotic environment. Okay, abiotic environment. When a plant or animal die, that death or the dead body or dead remain is lying on the soil, and upon those dead remaining or the dead organisms, those fungi bacteria also grow. Fungi and bacteria grow, and due to these fungi and growing of the bacteria, the energy which present in that dead remains are mixed with the soil. That's why fungi is useful for the recycling of the energy from biotic organism to the abiotic environment. Okay, then ninth point, as I said earlier, fungi are useful for the edible purpose because they are contain high amount of protein. Apart from those protein, they also contain vitamin B complex and riboflavin. That's why they are also important to extract vitamins. Okay, fungi are important to extract vitamins due to they contain high amount of vitamin B complex and riboflavin. Okay, riboflavin, FLUVN. That's why they are very important to extraction of vitamins. Okay, then in the next point, apart from the saprophytic fungi, some fungi are symbiotic also. They present symbionts in association with other animals where both the host animal and the fungi both are benefited. So there are some symbiotic fungi from which the host organism also benefited. Some examples: the example where fungi present or associated with other organism where both are benefited. One very best example is lichen, lichen. In lichen, fungi provide shelter and algae provide the food supplement. Okay, because it is the association of fungi and algae, where fungi provide the shelter and being photosynthetic in nature, algae provide the food. Okay, algae provide the food. It is a type of symbiotic association between fungi and algae called lichen. Like that, another example is Mycorrhizae, Mycorrhizae. Mycorrhizae is singular. If we add e, then it become plural. Mycorrhizae is the association between a root of many plants. Okay, gymnosperm and angiosperm also. A root of many plants and fungi. In this association, a root of many plants provide shelter to fungi, and in return, fungi provide many important nutrients like your phosphate, nitrate, etc. And also this fungi helps in water absorption also. Fungi helps in water absorption also. This what is lichen, what is mycorrhiza are frequently asked in short questions. Okay, what is mycorrhiza? This is the symbiotic association between fungi and root of many plants, many gymnosperms and angiospermic plants, where the root of the gymnosperms and angiosperms provide shelter and fungi provide many important nutrients like phosphate, nitrate, and also helps in water absorption also. So these are the some positivity of fungi to human beings and to environment also, where we discussed these fungi are used to extract plant hormones, vitamins, nutrients, your other antibiotics, medicines also. Then they are present symbiotically. Then they are saprophytic fungi. There are some saprophytic fungi which return the energy to the environment also. Okay, so these are the some importance of fungi to the environment and to our human beings. Apart from the importance or positivity, there are some negative points of fungi also present. Also, there are some negative points of fungi. What are those negative points or harmful effects? You may say harmful effects. In those harmful effects, fungi cause plant disease, many plant diseases, many animal diseases. Then it destroys storage food. It destroys storage food. If we keep bread or butter or anything for a long time period, then there may be development of fungi and the food storage food may be damaged. That's why destroying or damaging storage food. So these are the some negative points or negativity or harmful effects of fungi. Okay, these fungi cause many plant diseases. Like if you want to give some examples, if you ask some examples, then maybe wet rust disease in wheat. Wet rust is caused by your Poxenia graminis. Wet rust is caused by Poxenia, Puccina, Poxenia graminis. Graminis, Poxenia graminis. These are asked in short questions generally. Poxenia graminis. Then you other various diseases like early blight of potato, late blight of potato, okay, etc. Then in animal diseases, in human beings, many skin diseases are of course due to fungi. Okay, so these are the some negativity of fungi. Okay, so this much in this class. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thank you.